Where are we going?
We're at the diner. We haven't even left New Jersey yet.
The diner closed on us. How many times am I gonna ask you?
We're going to Disney World. All right.
Okay. So we are road tripping with our friends.
Yeah, they're back there being loud.
It's about 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Past my bedtime.
And we're leaving. We're gonna see how long this takes. I'm excited. This is an adventure.
Too.
I've never taken this trip as an adult before. I usually just fly.
Yep, only as a kid too. But we got the highway right here too next to us if you can't hear it. But we're gonna start going and we're gonna do a little video of our travel day, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, Sheetz or Wawa? There's a debate.
Sheetz.
Which one's better? Ryan says Sheetz. I say Sheetz too.
Maybe
Rich?
Wawa.
Wawa?
Liar.
I'm telling you, Sheetz. Anyway,
Mac and cheese.
it's like midnight, 12:30, and we're in Virginia. So I can't really film anything else other than the Sheetz time because I'm in the back seat. And Ryan's gonna be driving.
I'm ready.
And I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Oh, I got a drink.
What is it?
It's a vanilla iced coffee or vanilla iced latte. It's 4:15 in the morning. I'm drinking one.
Well, you're driving.
Yeah.
Guess where we are? Sheetz.
Second Sheetz in like 5 hours.
So it is about 4:15. Oh my god, my face is swollen. Where are we?
Somewhere in a little past Raleigh, North Carolina.
You're the only one that knows because I was sleeping. I'm sorry.
Everybody was sleeping except for me.
So we're about, you said, an hour and a half from south of the border.
About, yeah. And we're gonna stop there real quick.
Yeah.
See how sketchy it is, and we're gonna take a look.
Okay.
We'll take a shot, a couple shots of Pedro there.
Also, gas is $1.89 here.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
This is really hard to get into this parking lot. I remember.
Yeah, I don't know where we are, but I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Let's get on the road again.
All right. We're from Jersey. We don't pump our own gas, but we're pumping our own gas right now.
Well, it's working.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, there he is. Pedro, right next to the public restrooms.
This is what we stopped for. You woke me up for this?
Pedro. And then he got the big hat, fireworks. Oh, we're here here south of the border at like 5:30 in the morning.
Actually, it's 5:45 in the morning.
5:45. I haven't slept.
Yeah, I think it's my turn to drive. I'm up. I promise. I'm up.
You could sign Pedro. It's like a thing, I think.
Do we have a marker?
I don't know. Look at that. How cool is that?
Is that Pedro too?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's like the mascot.
Oh, all right.
And you can buy stuff here, but I don't think anything's open. It looks open actually, a little bit. It might be open. You could stay here too. Like
Why are there gorillas everywhere?
It's just, I don't know.
Well, there's actually a lot of animals.
Yeah.
I'm just curious. It's not.
Yeah.
Just curious. I see a turtle.
Yeah, I think it's just like, it's like a thing. I don't know.
I was here when I was like a kid. We did this drive with my parents when we went to Disney. So I don't remember anything.
Yeah. I was here when I was a kid and then when I was on tour with my band. But that was like 15 years ago. But this thing is the coolest. Woo!
.30 and we made it to Walterboro, South Carolina, and we're stopping for breakfast and there's nobody out here. All right.
Hey!
What time is it?
I'm on no sleep, man.
It is,
I don't know.
Hold on.
It feels like it's 3 o'clock in the morning.
It is 9 o'clock in the morning.
9, or wow.
9:03. We just got done with breakfast. We're still in South Carolina. Almost to Georgia. I think we have about,
Savannah.
What, 5 hours left?
Yeah, 4 or 5, something like that. We did IHOP.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's time to drive again.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Sunny Florida. We're here at the Welcome Center. Hi.
Palm trees.
I know, I just showed them.
Oh, sorry. That's how I know we're here. Palm trees.
Yeah.
And it's hot already.
Oh yeah.
It's like 55 degrees back at home.
Feel it.
It's not 55 here, I can tell you that right now.
Here it is. We made it.
Sunshine State.
Where are we going?
I'm going to get orange juice.
Did you see this?
Payphone?
What? Oh my god. It's an ancient relic. According to Adam the Woo, there's Florida orange juice here.
I see it, actually.
Alright.
I already see it. Oh!
There he is.
I guess that means we're close.
I think so.
Go ahead.
The only meet and greet.
The only meet and greet.
The whole trip.
There you go.
You want a picture of a boat?
Florida fresh oranges.
Ooh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Outside.
Outside. Here we are.
I'm excited for this.
Florida orange juice at the Florida Visitor Center.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, and it's cold. Oh, that
Yeah.
tastes good. Okay, so free orange juice or grapefruit juice at the Welcome Center in Florida.
It's juicy.
It's good. It's cold. So I think we have like 2 more hours. Ish. Ish.
And then
Ish.
Disney World. We're gonna do it.
I hope
Right,
so.
guys?
Right. Woohoo!
Get your orange juice.
Disney, here we come.
Okay, since it's free.
Welcome to Florida. Satisfied?
Continue straight for 1 hour and 11 minutes to exits 260 CBA, State Route 404, US 92, Daytona Beach, Orlando.
We're gonna be on Disney property. Welcome to Walt Disney World.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
We're here.
Turn left on Century Drive.
We're here. Woo! Century Resort. Whoa!
We're here. We're doing things a little bit backwards right now. We already checked into Pop Century. We threw all of our stuff in the room. And we're gonna go eat because we're really, really hungry.
Hungry.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Skyliner
Yeah.
over to the Riviera. Ready? Don't close your eyes. You like this.
I don't like this part.
But you like this.